Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm back again. So today I'm going to share with you on how we can use Edmodo for our educational purpose. So firstly, what you need to do is open Google Chrome, or you may download it from the Play Store. So search Edmodo. Once you have searched, click on the top, which is Edmodo. Just wait for a second. And if you don't have any account, click sign up, and you may choose where you want to log in with teacher account, student account, or parent account. Okay, if you already have Edmodo, just click log in, and you may choose if you want to log in with Google account or Microsoft account. To make our work easier, you can choose Google account. Just click Google account and choose your account. Once you have logged in as a student, this page will appear. Okay, so firstly, if you want to join a class, click three dots here and join a class. Okay, it will appear code, so you have to ask your lecturer or teacher for the class code, and you can click join. Next, I want to show to you the list of class. Click classes and we see the list of our class. This is my class, and we also have a calendar for our planner. Okay, this for the backpack is for assignment. If you want to submit an assignment, you can click backpack and click new to add new file. Okay, for this cover, you can enjoy playing any game that have in the Edmodo. There are a lot of games that can release your stress and reduce your tension when we are doing our assignment. So if you want to check if any message that we get from teachers or our friend, click message, and you can also message to chat with other friends. Okay, if you want to see any notification, let's say our teacher has post in our class, click the bell button and we can see there are a lot of notifications. Okay, then click home. Okay, Edmodo also provide Edmodo planner to make sure that we can manage our time wisely and have a good planner for our future. These are the example of the week planner, and also we have month planner. Okay, so if you want to log out, just click your profile picture and click log out. That is a simple way to use Edmodo, just within 3 minutes only. And lastly, don't forget to like my videos, and I hope it will be useful to you in the future. Thank you.